Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add ElevenLabs voice to CapCut. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to elevenlabs.io. Now, after navigating here, you'll have to basically paste your text on this screen and click on Generate a Speech. Now, after generating the ElevenLabs voice, simply click on this download icon available here. Now, your file will be downloaded onto your mobile phone. Simply open the CapCut application. After opening the application, you will see this interface. Here, you can either create a new project or simply open an existing project. After doing it, if you open an existing project, you will see this page. If you open a new project, you'll have to basically select the video that you want to use, then click on the add icon. After you click on add icon, it will show up something like this. Now, you will see that the video is here. Now, in order to add ElevenLabs voice to CapCut on your project, simply click on the audio option available just at the right side of the edit and you will see these options. Here, you can simply click on the sound button available here. After this, click on this small folder icon and click on the device option. After this, click on allow, then you'll be able to search for audios onto your mobile phone. Now what you'll have to simply do is navigate back to Chrome, click on the three-dotted icon at the top, then click on downloads. After this, you will see your audio's name in the downloads folder. It says ElevenLabs. You can simply click on this three-dotted icon, click on rename and add any name you can remember. So remove the previous name and I will name this ElevenLabs 11. Now I will click on OK. So you'll have to basically rename your audio to something you can remember. Now you'll have to make sure after renaming this, you'll have to open the audio file, then simply click on this three-dotted icon and click on download again. After you click on download again, this file will be saved onto your device. Now you can simply navigate back to CapCut, simply click on device option, then click on search device sounds and type in the name we just entered. And you will see your audio appearing just right here. Simply click on the plus icon after your audio and that exact ElevenLabs voice will be added to your CapCut video. I'll play this.
In a quiet little kitchen, a curious cat begins its daily adventure on the hunt for something tasty.
Now you can simply use all the tools available on CapCut to edit your video or audio and click on the export icon, then export this video. So that's how you add ElevenLabs voice to CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.